100% serious. This is the best chicken butchery I've ever seen in my life. Perfectly efficient with no wasted movements, never putting his knife down. Right hand is always clean, precision strokes. I can do that with the normal technique, but two things this guy yields that I don't. The backbone part of the meat, which is coming up right after this. Right there. I didn't even know you could do this. It looks like there's some cartilage on there though. And then this part, the breast, I can get the breast off pretty clean, but he literally peels it. There's absolutely no waste. Look at that. Look at that thing. What the shit?